Okay guys, it is September 11th, 2019. This is a day of remembrance for America, of course, even though it seems like we have already forgotten. However, bless those that lost their lives in that tragedy, and may God be with all of us. So, that being said, we are about to start the Aero version 2 slip-on exhaust install on the 2019 Ducati V4S Corse. Forgive my garage. I live in a apartment complex and the garages are just not that big, but I've got everything ready on the stands, prepared. We've already got our nice, awesome gold chain, black sprocket with 2 teeth up. Wanted to give you just a little test of the before and after. Just the sound. Okay, honestly this bike sounds pretty good stock with a stock exhaust, just that low Ducati grumble, but I have a feeling it's fixing to sound a whole lot better. We are installing the Sprint air filter. This is the race version, which is the F1-85 Sprint race filter, a little more airflow. I am using the Termignani up flash. I know that there's other flashes out there that might be better, but I chose this one at the recommendation of Brock Davidson and Manny Aziri from Moto Million. So we'll see how that goes. And the belle of the ball, this beautiful Aero exhaust, titanium with carbon fiber end caps. I know that sticker looks green, but that is just a cover, just a protective cover. So when I remove that, it'll be yellow. It will not be green. Anyway, everything's prepared. We're gonna start pulling this bad boy off and putting that bad boy on. Stay tuned.